Okay, so here is the Roland DWX 50, and as you can see, it's a pretty simple, small unit. If I back out here, get a perspective on how big it is. Inside we've got the automatic tool changer holder here. We've got the spindle and the puck holder. And it's got some really nice features on the chassis design, such as being able to open this up for cleaning. We can even pull out the suction from the front of the mill to facilitate cleaning out the interior of the mill. There's also some other components that we'll be putting in here to manage some of the dust, which we'll see in a few minutes. What we're going to do is go over to the cam station on some 3D here, and we're going to set up a single unit full contour zirconia case just to kind of show you how this works. So here we're selecting the unit. Okay, it's telling us the thickness of the case.
One strategy.
So now we're going to use a full contour zirconia strategy. Selecting some of the parameters here. Here we're selecting a puck that we've previously used. And we're placing this unit in the puck. Okay. So now we're going to put the puck into the mill. So actually I'd like to show this as well. We've seen on some other systems when you're putting the holder in place, the holder, if it doesn't apply even pressure on the material, it can actually cause cracking of the disc. And so what I like about this particular holding mechanism is that it's got, first of all, complete coverage all the way around, and then also this rubber seal, which will make it a good solid fit without applying too much pressure in one area to crack the disc. So we're just securing that in place here. Place the suction components in place. Alright, close it up. Now back on the cam, it's asking us if we want to send it directly to the machine. The Some 3D software has a direct integration with the software. Now it'll be doing several passes of calculation on the milling strategy, but another nice thing about this setup is that we can start milling when the first pass is done. So while it's still calculating the rest of the file, the mill has already started the process of milling out that unit. So here it's picking up the first tool to rough out the case. It's doing a tool measurement. And we're off.